This is Andy Schumann from Gizmos with another Tabletop Tech review. Today we're going to take a look at the Zip surgical skin closure device. This is a neat device for closing lacerations in patients, particularly children, that completely simplifies the process as infiltration with lidocaine is not necessary. The closure system is stronger than sutures and provides in most situations a better cosmetic result. The surgical skin closure device has been used for many years by surgeons to expedite the closure of surgical incisions, and a lot of primary care physicians have adopted this device in urgent care facilities, emergency rooms to facilitate wound closure. What's also nice is that the company has produced a consumer version called the Zip Stitch, which is affordable and can be easily used by patients to close uncomplicated lacerations, thus avoiding the need to have suturing done at an urgent care facility, doctor's office, or emergency room. So let me show you the Zip surgical skin closure device. This is a representation of a surgical incision. The Zip surgical skin closure device is applied on either side of the laceration, and you can see it consists of zip ties that are pulled sequentially to close the laceration. And you can see how easy wounds can be closed in this way. And this is a very long incision that ordinarily would be sutured or stapled. And once this process is completed, one merely takes a scissor to remove any excess zip plastic thusly. So wounds can be closed effectively in a matter of seconds versus minutes, and this stays in place for the duration of the healing process, is removed vertically, and as I mentioned is very easy to apply, easy to use. The surgical skin closure devices are very affordable. The smaller ones sell for about $30. The Zip 4 is the smallest device that is being sold for physicians at the moment, but it can be trimmed to accommodate smaller lacerations. So using this demonstration model, I think this entire device would be appropriate. So let's take off the adhesive and show how it can be used. So I'm removing the adhesive now. And I'm applying it to the wound edges. Thusly. And this is applied obviously after appropriate wound prep, cleansing, drying. And one merely pulls on the zip tie type device to close the laceration. And you can see how this can be achieved quickly and easily, achieving an excellent cosmetic result in a matter of seconds. And as discussed previously, one removes any excess zip material and then one puts a non-adhesive clear dressing over this that won't interfere with the adhesion of the device itself. So let's take a quick look at what's inside the zip stitch that is the consumer device. One opens it up and you've got alcohol for cleaning the wound, non-woven gauze sponges for cleaning, and a large band-aid for covering the wound once it's applied. You have instructions for use, and I believe on the website there are videos. If not, I'm certain they are available on YouTube. And this is the zip stitch device itself. As discussed previously, one liberates the device from the package, and after cleansing the wound, one then will apply the device to the laceration. Achieving a good application, and then closing the sequentially, and then one cuts the ties and then removes this paper guard, and then one would then cover this with the adhesive bandage. So excellent product, great for consumers, great for your office, excellent device. This is Andy Schumann from Med Gizmos. Have a great day.